Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. I hope you all will be fine, safe and healthy at your homes. Today we are going to discuss lesson number 1. The name of the lesson is maps. What is map? Map is basically a drawing which shows us area of the earth. This area can be the land, sea, river and mountains. Maps are basically drawn on a flat surface or a plain paper. There are different kinds of map which are used for different purposes. Now we will be discussing different types of map one by one. Following are the different types of maps, that is political map, relief map, topographic map and road map. Topographic map, it basically shows us the physical features of the earth such as mountains, rivers, hills, valleys and other landforms. Political map, it shows us cities, towns, villages and borders between countries. It is also known as administrative map. In this picture you can be seeing the political map. Relief map all shows us the height of hills and mountains from the sea level. Road map basically shows us the roads of an area. It is basically used by the drivers while traveling. In this picture you can be seeing the road map of Islamabad. Now we will be discussing latitude and longitude. To find place on map we use imaginary lines made up of vertical and horizontal lines. These lines form a grid. One thing that you have to remember is that these are imaginary lines, not real lines. Latitude, they are horizontal lines drawn from east to west. The equator is the line of latitude. It divides the earth into northern and southern hemisphere. There are 90 parallels or degrees of latitude in each hemisphere. In this particular picture you can be seeing the diagram of the latitude, that its starting point is east and the ending point is west. And equator is also the line of latitude. Longitude, they are basically vertical lines drawn from north to south. There are 360 meridians or degrees of longitude. The starting point of longitude is north pole and the ending point is south pole. Prime meridian is basically at 0 degree. It passes through Greenwich, England. It is basically at the very center of the earth. Its degree is 0. It divides the earth into eastern and western hemisphere. It is used as a basis for time zone. From prime meridian, which is passing through Greenwich, England, we can determine the time zone. International date line, it is at 180 degree. It is known as IDL. IDL stands for International Date Line. It is neither east nor west. It has got no any particular specific direction. When we cross International Date Line traveling towards east, we lose 1 day. And when we cross International Date Line traveling toward west, we basically gain 1 day. It means when you are traveling to the east, the date and time will be changed, and when you travel to the west, the date and time will be ahead. Elements of map. There are 4 different kinds of elements of map, which are key, direction, scale and title. They are basically part of every map. Key, it includes colors, symbols and signs which helps us to find things more easily on map. This is the list of the key, and you can be seeing in the picture that mountains has got its own particular symbol, river has got its own, and every element present in the key has got its own related symbol. We can also donate it or represent it through colors. Directions are basically of 2 types: cardinal directions, intermediate direction. Cardinal are basically the 4 main directions which are north, south, east and west, while intermediate direction are basically the combination of 2 directions which are north, east, northwest, southeast and southwest. Scale. Maps, every map is drawn according to a scale. In most map scales are not present, but in some map scale is present. If we want to know how big the area is, we basically show it through scale, but for your understanding you must remember that every map is drawn according to a scale. Title of the map is basically given at the top. It tells what the map is about or what the map is going to tell us. In this particular picture you can be seeing the title. This map is showing the population ratio in Florida of United States of America. Atlas, book of map is called Atlas. Atlas has got an index at the back. What is index? Index is basically list of name of countries, cities, mountains which are shown in alphabetical area. Thank you very much my dear students. I hope this lecture will facilitate your information.